Hey, welcome back to NPTressTreats TV. It's Alicia here, and today I'm going to talk to you about the My Best Hair Kit. Well, let me back up. I'm going to talk to you about the Island Vibes bonnet along with the Island Vibes My Best Hair Kit. So if you are unfamiliar with the benefits of sleeping with a bonnet, sleeping with a scarf, basically, no matter what your hair type, your hair texture, your hair length, it helps to reduce breakage, save time, prevent knots, reduce frizz, like all the benefits. Basically, just for me, I love the fact that it saves time, right? And also one of the huge benefits, because I have locks now, so it does help reduce frizz, but it also helps to not roll over in your hair, when you go to bed. So like I said, today I'm talking to you about the Island Vibes. So here is the Island Vibes print. I'm looking for the mini scrunchie. So here's the Island Vibes print. And then on the inside, it has the mauvish color. And then it matches with the mauvish sleeves. So for the bonnet is available in 6 sizes, ranging from baby to the BAB size. If you're unfamiliar with bonnet sizings, please check out the What Size Bonnet is Right For Me video on the YouTube channel. So, and just for reference, this is the regular size. I literally go from regular to BAB, just whatever mood I'm in. The BAB, my locks are free flowing. The regular kind of puts them up against my head. So it just really depends on my mood. So again, this is the bonnet. This is a regular size. It does come with 6 sizes. If you purchase it in the My Best Hair Kit, it only comes with the option of the 3 adult sizes, and they both do come with the option of a drawstring and the satin storage bag, as well as the option to be scented with our lavender scent, which is Tranquility by NPTressTreats. When you purchase the regular bonnet by itself, not the regular size, but just the bonnet by itself, it comes with the mini. When you purchase it with the My Best Hair Kit, it comes with the medium size scrunchie, as well as the peacock tail scarf. And scarves have so many uses, so many benefits. If you purchase the My Best Hair Kit, it does come with the scarf. So you can wear it on your hair, outside. You can wear it to sleep. You can do the scarf bonnet. You can use the scarf to cover your pillowcase so you're not sleeping on cotton. I love to travel with my scarf when I go out, so that way I can cover the hotel pillowcase or wherever I'm traveling to. Airbnb, doesn't matter, but I always bring a scarf to cover the pillowcase. You can wear it. It is getting kind of cold, so you can't really wear it as a top, but in the summertime it is super cute. You can wear it around your neck. You can use it to cover the headrest on your car, so your hair isn't you're not getting frizz when you're driving. So many options, so many benefits to the My Best Hair Kit. So again, it is available. The My Best Hair Kit's available in 3 sizes. When you buy the bonnet by itself, it is available in 6 sizes. They both come with the option of having it scented with lavender, the drawstring option, and it does come with a matching storage bag. So I'm going to drop the link to both in the description of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email at info@nptresstreats.com. Thank you so much for watching. Love ya. Bye.